Welcome back to my channel. Today we're attempting to make some tasty garlic knots. First thing we're going to do is add 2 packets of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar to 1/4 of a cup of warm water. We're going to mix all of this together and then set it aside for 5 minutes. Next, we're going to grab another bowl. In this bowl is 1 cup plus 1/4 of a cup of milk. Add in half a stick of butter and 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to heat this up in the microwave until it's lukewarm. While that's in the microwave, crack open 1 egg and add it to the yeast mixture. Now we can add everything together. In this bowl is 4½ cups of all-purpose flour and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Just go ahead and dump everything in and give it all a good mix. This is the part where we would normally toss our dough into a stand mixer and let the machine knead the dough for us for about 5 minutes. But since we don't have one, we're going to do it by hand. Now that we've tortured our dough for the proper amount of time, we're going to let it rest in solitary confinement for about 15 minutes. It's time to divide up our dough into 24 pieces. We're going to take our dough out of the bowl and cut it in half. Make sure to use plenty of flour so it doesn't stick to you, the surface you're working on, or your knife. We're going to cut our dough in half and then shape it into a log. Take that log and cut it into 4 sections. Then cut each of those sections into 3 pieces. This should give you 12 pieces. I noticed the dough was rather sticky, so just use extra flour to keep it from sticking to everything. Pick a piece up and roll it out and tie it into a knot. Take your cute little knot and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Your knots have been through a traumatic experience, and to get them through this phase, we're going to cover them and place them back into solitary confinement for another 25 minutes. Hopefully this will give them time to build up their confidence and double in size. Little do they know, while they're mentally preparing for the next step, we are going to get their garlic butter bath ready. Simply crush up some garlic, about 4 cloves, and add it to half a cup of melted butter. Here are the knots all ready to go. Simply brush on the garlic butter mixture and then top each one with some Parmesan cheese. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.